Friends, I am Dr. Surajit Ghosh. Welcome to my channel, Dr. Ghosh Presents. Signs, symptoms and uses of carcinosin, a homeopathic medicines. Source: cancerous tissue from breast. One may wonder how cancerous tissue from breast can be a source of medicine. Yes, it is possible. If you want to know, then you have to study the procedure of preparation of homeopathic medicine. This procedure makes a thing which was toxic disease product and is converted into a nectar-like medicine when it is prepared. Whole homeopathic world of the world is indebted to Dr. D.M. Foubister of London Royal Homeopathic Hospital, for he was the first who presented the complete clinical picture of this wonderful drug in 1954. This is a picture of D.M. Foubister. There is a first page of his title. Generalities of carcinosin. Physical generals. Generalities mean general properties of a carcinosin patient, and this is his physical generals. Later the mental general will come. Look: brownish, blue sclerotic, many moles on the skin, blinking eyes, bizarre tics. So tics are some peculiar movement in the muscular movement, or it may be also vocal. Tics may be of vocal type also. This is the muscular tics. This is generally found in autistic persons. Please remember, this medicine is a boon to autistic person. Craving or aversion to one or more of the following: salt, milk, fruit, egg, meat. Unhealthy habits. This is also available in sulfur. Unhealthy habits means, you see, persons of this type do not like washing. They do not keep their personal health, and various they wear unclean shirts, their nails and their teething habits are also irregular. I mean cutting of nails and oral habits, and they do not like to bathe regularly also. These are the things, actually unhealthy habits. Journals of carcinosin, physical journals continuing. Sleeping in nichest position. This is the sleeping in nichest position, and this is found in calcareous, medullarium, tubercularium, sepia, lycopodium, phosphor, or in dorsal position with arms raised above head. That is also the sleeping position of this person. Disturbed sleep, awakened by shudders, excited dreams, overactive ideas. To reduce the severe reaction to vaccination. See, in these days there are vaccinations are going on throughout the world, and many vaccination results in severe reaction. That reaction is controlled by this medicine. Sensitive to both heat and cold, and amelioration, that is, the patient feels good from short sleep, like a nap. Though he may be suffering from tremendous insomnia. That will come later on. Mental journals. Psychological cases with a background of fright, prolonged fear, unhappiness from childhood or childhood trauma. This childhood trauma is a severe psychological problem. This is covered, this is nicely tackled by carcinosin. This is a picture of a child who has got some trauma in childhood days. Sensitivity of children to slight reprimand. The carcinosin child cannot tolerate this. Sensitivity to music. She may weep or feel elated. Enjoyment of watching thunderstorm. Enjoyment of watching thunderstorm is a very, very beautiful mental journal of carcinosin patient. Journals of carcinosin, mental journal continuing. Sympathy to others. They are very much sympathetic to others suffering. This is also seen in phosphorus medicines. Love of dancing is generally seen in sepia, also in carcinosin. Extraordinary sense of rhythm. See, children aged 2 or 3 may show beautiful and extraordinary sense of rhythm. This is a peculiarity of carcinosin patient. Extreme apprehension for late coming of dear and near ones, as we found in our mothers, seniors, or in junior for the seniors. Outcome of result amounting to anguish. Florence Nightingale has said once, apprehension, uncertainty, waiting, expectation, fear of surprise do a patient more harm than any exertion. These things do more harm than exertion. Remember, he is face to face with his enemy all the time. So apprehension is a great enemy of the mental sphere of a person. And this effect, the effect of long apprehension, is nullified by this medicine carcinosin. Attention to details, extreme fastidiousness and meticulousness, as we found in arsenic, Nux vomica, anacardium graphitis. Just a few minutes before we taste, we came to know that carcinosin is an unhealthy habit, persons of unhealthy habits. Now we see here, he is extreme fastidious and meticulous, or just opposite also possible. That is, there is least meticulousness, there is least systematic looking at things or understanding of things. Both the extreme fastidious and that's the opposite. Both are inherent in this medicine. They also suffer from insomnia even from childhood. From childhood days they may suffer from insomnia. I've already told it. Tendency to commit suicide, another very important aspect to carcinosin. Genetics continue. Hereditary background. History of one or more diseases like cancer, diabetes, syphilis, tuberculosis, severe anemia, glandular disease in the family. While treating chronic patient, we take the history, family history of a person's. Now this family history is very important for cure of the patient. Now this type of history may be there in carcinosin patient. This remedy is specially suited for spastic children, cerebral palsy, cases of autism, Mongolism, and other types of mentally defective children. This is a spastic or rather disease of resulting from cerebral palsy, spastic children. The muscles are either heavily stiff or heavily lax, and they lack physical power. So a spastic child needs some help to walk. This is a disease of infection, injury, etc. Maybe meningitis, maybe encephalitis. There is an autism. This is the person, autistic person. This is genetic diseases. These persons are lack so many things. They lack communication, they lack eye contact, their expressions are very bizarre type, they lack understanding, social communication, everything. So for this autistic child, this medicine is a boon. Mongolism or Down syndrome. Down syndrome is also genetic. This is genetic, but this is not genetic. This genetic, the Mongol, these persons are called Mongols or Mongolism, patient of Mongolism, shows their head is small, their flat type face, their ears are small also. The eyelids are upwardly slanted. They have short neck. In these persons, it is seen that they has 21 trisomes. That is, 21 means there are 21th chromosomes are 3 in their type. Generally, common is 2. They have 21 chromosomes. This is the problem of this disease, and this is genetics. History of repeated attack of whooping cough, acute fever, glandular fever, bronchitis, pneumonia, and eczematous eruptions. These are found in the history of a particular patient who may require this medicine. This acts as a prophylactic against glandular fever. That is, if the doctor knows that this patient may suffer from glandular fever, that is, he has come from a strong glandular fever background, then this medicine can be given as a prophylactic. Particulars of carcinosin. So long we are discussing about generalities, now it is particular. Particulars means these are related to particular organ or particular area of the body. Head. Sensation of thumping, constriction feeling, more on the right side, twitching of eyelids, various muscles, pain deep inside the brain. All these are related to head, particular organ. Heart, throbbing, constriction feeling. Respiratory organs, sinusitis, tonsillitis, whooping cough, bronchitis, pneumonia. The severe cases of all these acute diseases covered, this medicine is very strong in chronic diseases and also acute diseases. Skin, inverted eczema in between scapula, over the sternum, abdomen, constipation or abdominal feeling, aggravation during 6 to 8 p.m., feeling of tightness in abdomen with pain, amelioration by bending, pressure and hot drinks, constipation without desire, cough, skin symptoms aggravated by undressing, cough, aggravated by talking. All these are symptoms of particulars. Now the images. This is a case of eczema in front of sternum, and this is a case of eczema in between scapula. These are the scapula bone. These wing bones are called scapula eczema, and this is a severe case of tonsillitis. Warning from the lips of a homeopathic giant well conversed with carcinosin. Following the administration of this medicine, there might be an inflammatory reaction like coryza, sore throat, or skin eruption. Do not give any medicine under these circumstances. This will pass off, that is, this will pass off automatically. Let the medicine act its full course, at least for 1 month. You may extend it to 2 months also, because if the time is given sufficient, then the medicine will run its full course. But if you interfere, the case may get bungled. Cancer and carcinosin. What is the relationship? We must be aware of the fact that carcinosin is not a remedy for disease cancer per se. Very important point. This is not a medicine. Carcinosin is not a medicine for cancer per se. Not for cancer, but rather it is a remedy for eradication of the cancerous constitutional dyscrasia inherited. That is, a person who has born in a cancer family who has with cancer history. For that type of patient, this carcinosin is more effective. It is not at all a medicine for cancer. Dr. Foubister remarked that clinical experience showed the farther away a case from actual cancer, as in childhood, the more useful carcinosin was as a constitutional remedy. Related remedies: tuberculinum, medodinum, sipulinum, sorinum, sepia, Natrum muriaticum, Calcarea phosphorica, Staphysagra, alumina, opium, pulsatilla, sulfur, arsenic iode, arsenic album, phosphorus, Lycopodium clavatum, dysentery compound. Sometimes it is seen that there may be partial indications for two or more medicine from the list above in a patient without complete coverage by a single medicine, such as love of dancing of sepia, or meticulous neoparsonic album, or severe craving of common salt of natramur. In such a situation, none of the above gives permanent cure, and physicians are in dilemma. Carcinosin acts in such cases as a complementary medicine and cures. This is I think the most important about the medicine carcinosin, this characteristic. Please remember. With this video ends. Thanks for the listening and viewing.